Jamaican people and all lovers of dancehall. Later we are going to have a meet now at Harvard Police Station.
Yeah, hear me? So the people who have sent message of a minute and a bombard my phone about him meeting and police and like dance and this and that and we have to do something. I don't send nothing to my phone. But I want a man send nothing to my phone about the police and like the dance and
Alright, welcome to SoFlo TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. So this is just the intro. I'm going to intro the video and then you're going to hear some things. First of all, let me say, if you're not one that's into curse words, then pardon the whole bunch of suck your mother and up under your mama that the Ricky Trooper used. Please listen to the message though. So Boom Boom, which is legendary selector Boom Boom in dancehall, so is Ricky Trooper, the great Ricky Trooper. And there's the debate going on a video that we did recently where we talked about the noise ordinance in Jamaica. So it's affecting dancehall reggae music events where the parties in Jamaica are supposed to be locked off at midnight during the week and by 2 a.m. on weekends. And what this means for the economy, it means for people from the man where sell the bag juice and the soup out the door and the roast corn and all this to the bartender at the bar and the bars and the DJ and the patrons and all these things. Listen to what Boom Boom said and then listen to what Ricky Trooper said. You're not going to see me again in this video. We're going to meet in the comment section below, alright?
Listen what I'm going on, my Jamaican people and all lovers of dancehall. Later we are going to have a meet now at Harvard Police Station, 5 p.m. with members of the Parliament and the Jamaica Security Force. You know what I mean? We're going to discuss about the during the week event being shutting down at 12 and the weekend concert shutting down at 2. Now it's your time to come and share your views. Because remember, dancehall play a big role in corporate, sales and also Jamaican tourism.
I try to warning.
Listen what I'm going on, my Jamaican people and all lovers of dancehall. Later we are going to have a meet now at Harvard Police Station, 5 p.m. with members of the Parliament and the Jamaica Security Force. You know what I mean? We're going to discuss about the during the week event being shutting down at 12 and the weekend concert shutting down at 2. Now it's your time to come and share your views. Because remember, dancehall play a big role in corporate, sales, and also Jamaican tourism.
hear me? So the people who have sent message of a minute and a bombard my phone about him meeting and police and like dance and this and that and we have to do something. I don't send nothing to my phone. But I want a man send nothing to my phone about the police and like the dance and we're going to have me on the go, man. The one on the go. See? I don't want a man to come send nothing to my phone because you see, them look a pussy and where I come send out that. You only send it through, if the fire catch you now. Look how long man I fight for this, look how much meet them I go. See, I'm other man I got meeting. You understand? Me and Cham one them and the whole of we know long we are going to meet and I fight with that something here. And none of you know. The stone love and the weep powers and all of them when fire catch you now. See? Two fire catch you now and you know with you and the whole of you know come chat about come go meeting. Eh? I'm telling you something, man. The whole of you be a hypocrite in that because when they say no more roadside dance that keep. See, I will call him in a half a tree. None of them never support it. None of them support it. And we go some boom. Call all like media houses them and we are foot hype them and jam on them and the whole of we down there. Then it's from Super D and the whole of we are fight and Kiva them and the whole of them come out. See, we see more dance and more sound people. See, and then I come go so boom and I come tell man about me now. Eh? With police. No, can't change them, so the police them can't change them. I law that. For done 12 o'clock during the week and 2 o'clock a weekend, and that's what them said. And that's what them said. And the politician them figures of boom and get pressure. See? How after where them come from, run a film side, a place. See? When them keep all-star church and them a big labor right, and they can't keep, and Andrew Wallace constituency that. See? So they said it's big away. Eh? And politicians them have to fix this. But let me tell you something. none of them not plan to go so woman say, yeah, yeah, we have some, we not play no music for 1 month or 1 month or for 2 months. I make the place get miserable. I make crime turn up over ya. See, none of them not plan to do that, you know. See, I don't know what do. Too pressure catch you, don't want to come chat about me. That can't help. You know, long man a fight to this and Damian Crawford we have bag of meat with. Eh? See me I say, around 1 month ago, I have a meeting up at Babsy Grange office and nothing no come out of that all. Now come tell me, I say none to my phone. All I want to go suck out to the woman, I say none to my phone. See? And the law, I'm going to tell you something. It never trouble them enough. It never trouble them. I weep out them and Louis Fraser Bennett, them go sit down with KD Knight. I made the law pass and them made the lawyer pass. When KD Knight them both them want me, the Louis Fraser Bennett from Sound System and Social, weep out them go sit down with that. See, I made the law pass. See, I'm a PMP and a PMP pass it too. See, so when I come chat about, yo, this can't fix by no I'm meet with the police, you know. Because the law, the police them are uphold, you know. A politician have a cheer this. All I want to say, when you dip on sound and say then, since you don't want it fixed, when you say, yo, no more vote for no politician. But none of them go up on the sound and say that. Eh? When you say, we not vote for no more politician till this fixed. See, every selector fear say that, every sound man fear say that better fix. Because they find out that them not get no vote. And we have said that. You know things that them go some mama and fix it. But me, not tell me about no me, go suck out to no mama. Now I'm gonna send them to my phone about no me, you know. Because we no unity now in this. Through fire get some out now. We don't come chat about me and go sit down with police and rare. Hey boy, boom boom. Me I come send people I come setting with you to the man phone. Eh? You hear where you come chat about? You come chat about yo, because corporate Jamaica and tourist board. Corporate Jamaica and tourist board. What tourist board do for blood clot sound system business? Eh? What tourist board do for sound system? What corporate Jamaica do for bomber clot sound system business? Them do nothing for we. Eh? Hey boy, sound system business are going from the late 40s, 50s and come up. And Jamaica get independence 1962. See? So if the culture you want from Sola, who is a politician become determine how man lifestyle will be in a music. Eh? And my sound system will live off. See? I never do a 9 to 5 from a bomber clad band. And my sound system will live off. See? I'm all of my youth them work with me. It has sent them to the girls' school. And I'm be a stress with this. I want to come shut off for the mouth now. Hold on for go. But now I have meet with police. It can't fix her. It can't fix her. I have a plan for that player. I make the place get miserable and be a shot start fire boy. See? And we start preach band sound say, yo, no more dance boy and no more vote. No more vote for PMP and no more vote for GLP. I mean PMP, I say that. No more vote boy. I want to preach that band sound. I make the politicians know so we not vote for them. Because poor people put them in a power. You think a Jamaica tourist board, a blood clot corporate Jamaica put them in a power. A poor people vote for them and a poor people are feeling. You come chat about corporate Jamaica, eh? Want the people who keep them round robin and keep them little dance, eh? Much money government I get out of way. Them say over $500 billion them make a year time off a blood clot entertainment. Jams I get money, say J-Cap I get money, and parish council I get money, eh? Out of this. And then they go some Bumalaka man dance and police are hustling too. I tell you something, hold on, go man. Now send none to my phone, man. See? I not got no meeting with nobody, I don't want to hear about no meeting. See? I Jamaica house in the March go. But I got half a tree. Hold on for go some woman got Jamaica house and a black yard and them something. And I make the one wholeness is on out there. I make him send somebody come call him when I want to go chat to wholeness. I make him know something serious. See? None can't have no police station because I years them a chat about this. And the law that a government have to change that. When I move on a bomber clot and I send it to my phone. That one is so hypocrite. True fire get you now when I come chat off on the mouth. But have me and this and that and rare. But I never know a long time. Eh? When we are fight the blood clot pressure. You think a little pressure we are fight boy? Eh? I tell you something man. It's no. I saw Jamaican town, you know. When little fire catch you know. And then the time there. One man can rally with you, but one we that rally to make this happen. On the name help with. Say, so you can't say we undecided, you can't say anything on the one say, but the truth me attack. When you go suck out to the woman and say none to my phone. Say, so me I say, politics have to fix this. Politics have to fix this. Tell them we not vote for them. We're going to stop play for a while. We're going to can't do without in a weekly event. Then I saw you go on like you have money and the whole of a blood clot broke. We're going to can't do without in a weekly event. So, you see, out of way, you want to keep feeling this while and my big labor rights. Don't ever affect target and I hold it. Yo, let me tell you something, man. See, the Jamaica, they're going to get to licky, you know. See, on a can't ban on the belly. On remember when the gas fire did go on, boy, when they want to raise gas, everybody said the gas can't raise, boy. A man said rebel and black road and them blood clot there. Eh? Yo, let me tell you something. Stop going like when I eat that and go like when I fool, you know. I see how Mr. Africa then got some boom, you know. I'm bound to kill them and a fight and struggle about the copy country. I say, none of spragger them. I say, any one back them. Eh? So me I say, all of them silent and we should rally back a blood clot Africa them and spragger them. See? So me I say, oh you mean? Me can't count who me say I go some boom and post and foot on them you they'll fight or something. I want to go suck out to the mama. Or not send nothing to my phone. But no mean or nothing. Me don't want you but no mean with nobody. See? Because you not help this. You not stop blood clot play a weekend time. A week time. You not make the place lock now and no music no play. No sound man no fear play in Jamaica. I make the place get miserable. Be a bomber clot shot fire. Boy, me police and full. See? Because them feel that the music not help, you know. For all them crime, it a help. Just when the youth then go some boom and get miserable and not hear no music and blood clot play. And you will talk about corporate Jamaica. Rum and everything are going to stop sell. Them about corporate Jamaica. Red Stripe and the whole of them go some boom. And dive left music all the while, you know. See? One that come chat about. But corporate Jamaica, what corporate Jamaica ever do for this? Eh? What tourists board ever do for music? Them lock up the tourists them in a hotel, some big old wall them have round them. And I tell them, say, don't go road because crime turn up at Jamaica and this and that. See? On not hear any tourists are dead like that out here. Eh? Look how much Japanese and people that come from all over the world and go in and get to them. On not hear any of them are dead. Eh? You don't hear me, long me, you know, hold on, but near me to the mama. See? But you're on go man, send nothing to my phone, man.
Alright, see you then. Peace.